All right, you might not know this yet, but you can actually convert text to speech for free using ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. First thing you need to do is install a Chrome extension called AudioTTS. Just search for AudioTTS, click Add to Chrome, then hit Add Extension, and boom. Once that's done, you're basically ready to go. Don't forget to refresh your ChatGPT page after installing it. Now let's grab some text to test it out. For example, you can go to Reddit and pick a long story like this. Just copy the entire text. Then, back in ChatGPT, you'll see a text-to-speech button at the bottom. Click that button, paste the text you just copied, and then hit Convert. AudioTTS will process your text in small chunks and turn it into one complete audio file, which will be automatically downloaded to your computer. And that's it, guys. It's done. Now let's play the audio and check out the result.
About 6 months ago, I became homeless. I wanted to share my story to help with my healing. Before I became homeless, I had an apartment. For over a year, I was making good money, saving and thriving, until my boss started mistreating me. I lost my job. Over time, I lost my savings. I remember feeling so desperate, calling organisation after organisation trying to get help with my rent and utilities, but I was always turned away. Before I lost my apartment, I had to toss all my furniture, had to toss out my hobbies, had to throw out my hope. It was extremely painful losing everything so fast. No matter how many organisations and churches I called, I couldn't find any help. My savings was all dried up. I had accepted my fate. The eviction was pending, but I decided to move out early in hopes of easing myself into homelessness. It wasn't the first time I was on my own, homeless, after losing everything. I had been homeless at 16 after my mother threatened to punch me in the face. So I was at least a little prepared for this new life adventure. One day I threw out all my stuff. I tossed out my Xbox, knowing I wouldn't be able to keep it, and tossed out things that held memories. I packed up my bag with all the essentials: personal care products, toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, water, food, my sketchbooks, 3 pairs of clothes and my teddy bear pizza. I've had since I was 5. I gathered all my things and took a bus downtown, a place I knew very well even when I had a safe place to sleep. Before becoming homeless, I would dance in the rainstorms with the homeless people I knew. Blasting old classics, though, a busted-up speaker that my friend Charles owned. He was an old black man with gorgeous grey curls, a goofy drunken stoner with an infectious smile and laugh. Getting drenched and passing around a joint while dancing in the pouring rain with the homeless population really made the transition a lot easier and less harsh, because I already knew a few people I would be surviving with. I remember staring at the homeless shelter before me. I took a deep breath, opened the door and went in.